Today, we're making Hawaiian-style fried rice. In Hawaii, there's a restaurant called Side Street Inn that makes an amazing fried rice that is so addictive you must try it. Now, not everyone has the luxury of visiting Hawaii, so today we'll make this fantastic fried rice right in the comfort of your home. This is one of my all-time favorite dishes to make, and it's just so good for lunch or dinner. If you want a taste of Hawaii, this is a must-have. I'm getting hungry, so let's get cooking. We'll start by slicing one bunch of green onions for garnish. Then cut 2 links of Silva Portuguese sausage into cubes. Then chop up 1.5 pounds of char into cubes. See the link in the video description for how to make homemade char. For the rice, we're using 5 cups of day-old leftover medium grain rice. We're ready to cook. You can either use a cast iron or a wok. We'll cook this in batches. Start by adding some neutral oil, then 1/3 of our Portuguese sausage and 1/3 of the char. Let this cook for about a minute before adding 1/3 of the rice. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots, then 1 to 2 teaspoons of dashi gradually added, while tossing everything together. Add about 2 teaspoons of oil to keep the rice from clumping. I personally recommend using a wok over a cast iron. Once tossed together and cooked for a solid 2 minutes, we can set this aside and repeat for the rest of the rice. Let's switch to a wok this time. Add our sausage and char. Sizzle it up for about a minute. Then add our rice. Toss. Oyster sauce. Dashi. Toss again. Frozen peas and carrots. More dashi. Toss together. Some oil. Break up those rice clumps. And set aside. It smells so good right now. Just look at this fried rice. And boom, we have an amazingly delicious Hawaiian-style fried rice. This hits the spot. The rice is full of flavor. There's color. It's so good. If you're looking for a fried rice to mix up your week, then you have to try this one. This isn't like your normal fried rice, but it tastes so good still. This is great as a side dish as well to eat with other things like pork chops, noodles, and so forth. The green onions are added on top as garnish. If this looks delicious, then be sure to visit Side Street Inn next time you are in Hawaii, and be sure to like and subscribe for more. From Hawaii to your home table, here are today's ingredients. We can then meal prep this in containers, just like takeout. This makes about 8 servings or an amazing family dinner. We'll see you next time.